Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of handmade rustic wooden gift design ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In a fast-paced world dominated by mass production and fleeting trends, the handmade rustic wooden gift stands as a quiet, powerful testament to something deeply human: intention. It is not simply a trinket carved from timber. It is a celebration of purpose, presence, and process. It carries within its grains the patience of the maker, the story of the tree it once was, and the energy of hands that chose to slow down and shape something beautiful with care. Each rustic wooden gift, be it a small heart-shaped ornament, a hand-carved keepsake box, or a personalized nameplate, offers more than utility or appearance. It offers soul. It whispers that not everything needs to be rushed, replicated, or replaced. It holds its ground, warm and weighty in your palm, and tells a story of a world that values longevity, connection, and substance over speed, scale, and perfection. To create such a piece is to step into a mindful space, a workshop of stillness, where the artist listens more than forces, shaping rather than controlling, drawing out the spirit already within the wood. The cracks, the knots, the imperfections, none are sanded into oblivion. Instead, they are embraced as evidence of a life lived, a past honored. Rustic wooden crafts do not chase flawlessness. They reflect realness. Therein lies their rebellion against the disposable, the uniform, the emotionless. In a market saturated with plastic and particle board, where everything is replaceable and manufactured in bulk, these gifts insist on meaning. They are not stamped on assembly lines, but shaped through hours of labor, intuition, and love. To give one is to say, you matter. This was made with you in mind. That message, carved into the very material, can never be duplicated by anything factory-born. Moreover, the act of crafting rustic wooden gifts becomes an act of personal healing and identity. For the woodworker, especially those who begin with only simple tools and reclaimed materials, each creation is a small victory, a tangible result of their vision and skill. Working with wood requires patience, attention, and humility. It teaches problem-solving through imperfections, and perhaps more importantly, it teaches appreciation for natural beauty that is wild, unpredictable, and stubbornly unique. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. Every rough edge smoothed, every joint fitted just right, every design choice is a lesson in perseverance. And for many artisans, these projects become the gateway into a more creative, connected lifestyle, a lifestyle rooted not only in making but in becoming. Even more, these crafts offer an intimate way of earning. In a time where digital hustle often leaves us empty, selling handmade rustic wooden gifts fills both pocket and soul. They appeal to a rising group of consumers craving authenticity, people who want to buy from creators, not corporations, to own items with origin stories, not barcodes. Rustic wooden crafts thrive at artisan markets, on online handmade platforms, and as custom orders. Their uniqueness commands attention, and their sustainability speaks volumes in a world increasingly aware of environmental cost. From a business perspective, they allow makers to generate income without compromising values. No need for flashy machinery, massive inventory, or wasteful production cycles. Just good wood, steady hands, and honest intention. And let's not forget their role as emotional carriers. Gift giving is one of the oldest human rituals. A handmade rustic wooden craft amplifies this gesture with depth and durability. These aren't gifts that disappear with the season. They become heirlooms, cherished not for their price tag, but for the thought that went into them. A small engraved wooden keychain given during a milestone moment, a rustic photo frame with initials carved by hand, a jewelry box crafted from barnwood passed down generations. These items become part of people's lives. They collect memory, not dust. As society slowly returns to valuing craftsmanship, authenticity, and sustainability, handmade wooden gifts are no longer niche, they're needed. They remind us of what's real, what lasts, and what matters. They are, in every sense, a counter-narrative to throwaway culture. They say, take your time, create with heart, and give with purpose. The resurgence of interest in rustic design and slow living only amplifies their relevance. Interior decorators and homeowners alike now seek warmth, texture, and personal story in their spaces, and rustic wooden elements deliver all three. Even in their smallest form, they bring nature indoors and heart into the home. And perhaps most moving of all is that these crafts are often born in quiet corners of garages, on dining tables, in sheds tucked behind homes, not in grand studios or corporate design firms. They are products of grit, vision, and love. When a woodworker sands the final edge or burns a personal message into the grain, it's not just craftsmanship, it's devotion. The satisfaction comes not just from completion, but from the journey of turning the raw and ordinary into something with soul. This alchemy, the transformation of forgotten timber into beloved keepsakes, becomes a metaphor for our own transformation, taking what life gives us and crafting something meaningful from it. So yes, a rustic wooden gift may fit in the palm of your hand, but its impact stretches far beyond its size. It carries an ethos. It invites reflection. It radiates honesty. And whether created as a heartfelt gift, a therapeutic act, or a stream of income, it is ultimately an offering, a quiet tribute to the enduring power of handmade, heartfelt beauty in a world hungry for more of both. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked handmade rustic wooden gift design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.